How to target friends on Monopoly Go. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can target friends on Monopoly Go. So how do you target friends on Monopoly Go? To target friends on Monopoly Go is not difficult. It just involves two ways. And the first way is by deciding to play with them on your Monopoly Go. And how do you do this? When you open your app, by the top right corner of the screen, you'll see three horizontal dashes. Click on it. Once you click on it, a menu will be displayed, and at the last part of the menu you'll see settings. Click on it. Once you click on settings, on the settings page you'll see connect account. Click on it, and then on this connect accounts page you'll see play with contacts, right? Just click on it and then add contacts and select the contacts you want. Once you've added the contacts, person have accepted the contact, you can go ahead and play with the person as a friend on Monopoly app. And then the second way is by just rolling your dice and play as much as you can. Alright, once you roll your dice and then your dice lands on attacking or playing with a friend, once your dice lines on that, you'll be taken to your friend's dashboard where you'll be asked to attack or target that friend. So on that dashboard, by the lower part of the screen, you can decide to switch your opponents, that is switch your friends to other friends of your choice, or you can just use a random player. So this is how you can target friends on Monopoly Go. I am sure this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.